Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my best hair pomade, and this pomade is a game changer. It's going to change your hair game, and I'm not sure you ever knew that this existed, but I usually use this anytime I run out of shea butter. So I'm going to be using this blue seal. I'm also going to be using powder cloves and rosemary. Then I'll be using little of palm kernel oil. One thing about blue seal is that it always keeps your hair. There's always moisture in your hair if you are using blue seal. That moisture is always in your hair, and once your hair is moisturized, that's a good one for you. Once your hair is always moisturized, you know how that feels. Dry hairs are not good. It's not good to have a dry hair. That's why it's good to always apply your hair pomade, hair butters just randomly within the week. It's good to always apply moisturizers. So now I'm going to go in with my rosemary and cloves powder. I'll be using 2 spoons. Then I'll go in with my palm kernel oil. I won't be using measurement for this one because it's never enough for me. If you know the benefits of palm kernel oil, you always want to use it. So now I'm going to be doing the double boil method. Double boil method is when you place a mixture over a hot boiling water, or you place it inside the boiling water. Anyone you choose is still a double boil method. So I'll be placing this inside my already boiling hot water so that it will melt and mix together with the cloves and rosemary. So this is how our mixture looks like after melting. So now I'll be going in with my essential oil. First one is my tree tea oil. This oil contains a lot of good vitamins that helps the hair and the scalp. So this is my lavender essential oil. I'll also be adding it. After adding, I will still mix it together. And it's time to strain so that I'll get a clean oil. So after straining, I'm just going to put this in the fridge to solidify, and your pomade is ready to be used. You can use it anytime you feel your hair is dry. Just pick it up and then rub it into your hair to keep that moisture locked in, and do not forget to use it any of your hair wash days. Always use it. Always use it because it will keep your hair soft, just like shea butter. I'm telling you, you can use this in place of shea butter in case you run out of shea butter, or you really don't like that shea butter feel. It gives you the same thing with shea butter. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.